So at the Red Cow westbound platform, lozenge tactile under my foot, sweeping the cane from left to right, feeling the slope, and I'm going to cross over now to the bus stops. So the cuordroy seems to be a little bit further away than normal, so I'm going to cross over the track, and there's a different type of cuordroy, maybe 4-line cuordroy. So this is a slope, it's a crossing. So there's another, I'll just wave here, because it's another crossing, and this is where the buses are. So, some cycle parking stuff. And there's lots of cycle parking, you wouldn't want to get caught up in that. So this is the first of the bus stops. I can feel the surface underneath. I'm not sure where that bus stop behind me goes to. So here's another crossing point with blister tactile underfoot. It seems to be a raised crossing, so we'll get back on track. And so over to the left here is the first of the bus stops. Yeah, and that's a sign. So that's an accessible kerb on the left. So this is the first. There'll be another bus stop coming up shortly. There's the pole there, yeah. And you follow the curb. So that was 2 bus stops there. And the curb ends now. And we'll just go over it again. On the opposite side of this bus stop island is the opposite side. So on this island there's 2 bus stops. So I'm going to cross over now. Just wave. It's I don't think it's a pedestrian crossing. I think it's an uncontrolled crossing. And we've got bus stop starts again. So this is kind of the second bus stop island. You can feel the accessible kerb under our foot. Yeah, it's another bus stop. I'm not sure which one it is. Accessible kerb restarts again. And shortly, another bus stop. Don't know which it is. That's a zebra crossing. And we just keep following the zebra crossing. Because on the second island, that's the third of the bus stops. We've got an accessible kerb underfoot. I'm sweeping from left to right, and the kerb is at my right, so we're turning a corner, and we have another bus stop pole again. I don't know which route it's for. Turning the corner again. Another accessible kerb has restarted, and on my right, on my left is another bus stop, but I don't know which route it's for. There's blister tactile underfoot for the crossing, and we've more accessible kerbs on the left hand side, and we walking down a bit further. There's an accessible kerb. That's on the second island. Stop, but I don't know which route it's for. So now there's another crossing, and this crossing is an uncontrolled crossing, and we're zebra cross on the opposite side now. There's a park and ride on our left, so don't think there's any bus stops at this side. So this is another crossing, no poles, so it must be uncontrolled, but I can feel marks in the ground, so it must be a zebra. It continues now again. It must be a zebra crossing pole, but it's way away from the curb, so I'm crossing over now. That is a zebra crossing, but the position of the pole is way over from the blister tactile. This ends, there's another zebra pole, but again it's way over, so I'm going to cross another crossing. Oh, this is a raised crossing, so I have to get back on track. I drifted a little bit to the right. So the next crossing back to the Luas. That's a raised crossing there, but there's no pole on it. So it's an uncontrolled raised crossing, no tactile. So I'm going to have to just wave for him crossing this road, and we're over it again. Another slope, it's a raised crossing, and okay, this is the Luas, a different type of tactile. So I'm travelling towards the city centre, so I'm on the right side. Lozenge tactile underfoot, but the type of corduroy tactile at the end of the platform is different, not the standard stuff. So that's a view of the bus. Hey there, Luas has just come in. Doors are opening. Safe to board. And I'll just grab a seat here. Yeah, it's free. Good stuff. Thank you.